How to change Hotmail account password. So if you want to change Hotmail account password, then first you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and go for the search bar and search for Hotmail. Once you've searched, you can go for how to sign into Hotmail, which is on the first search, and click on sign in, which is here on the bottom left, and it will automatically log you into your Outlook. So Hotmail simply means Outlook, and you need to log into your Outlook. And once you log into your Outlook, you need to go for the profile, which is on the upper right, and you can simply go for my profile. And after opening your profile, now here on the upper right you will have change password option. Tap on change password, and here you need to enter your current password to proceed. So simply enter your current password, but if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or you can recover your account or your password. So by that process also you can change your password. But if you remember your password, then enter it and then click on sign in, and from here you can change your password. So enter your current password on the first blank, and then you need to enter your next password or new password on the next blank, and after that you need to again re-enter your password, a new password on the third blank. And once you enter your new password on these two blanks, you need to click on this box if you want to change your password every 72 days. But if you don't want to change it, then unclick it. And once you enter your passwords, you need to click on save so that you can change your password. So that's it. That's how you change your password on your Microsoft account or your Hotmail account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.